We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. And before we jump into all the data and everything I have to cover with you guys, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us and be equipped and prepared, join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. By joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we're going to jump right into it here with AMC Entertainment Holdings. So the home run opportunities were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if this is something you want to become part of and get in on early with us every single morning before these stocks take off, you're more than welcome to join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And with 42 Vision, you will be even more equipped to maximize on opportunities to be able to see the dips and the rips. So all of these stocks here, we managed to catch them early on in the pre-market. They all gave between 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but the home runs of the day were spectacular. We caught two of them, and the first one was SOPA, one of our home runs from yesterday that gave us 50% plus. We caught it in the pre-market as it was sitting sideways. It pulled down, hit that extreme weakness here based off of 42 Vision, started to get strength, and then complete strength here on 42 Vision, as you could see it, pushing up to a highest point of 100% plus. Now we have here STRN as well. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards. It jumped up a little bit. It dipped right there at the bell, and it took off, giving points of strength here. And in that first run, it gave about 10 to 20% at its highest point, pulled back down, give another point of strength, giving a highest point on the day of 25% plus, almost reaching 30% on the day itself. So if this is something you want to become part of, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord so you can get in on early with us and become part of a learning and growing community of investors. And this is something that we strive for every single day. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with AMC Entertainment, and AMC Entertainment after earnings, after actually making a pretty decent earnings report, it has been pulling downwards. Now, I did state yesterday how this was exciting because we could see a point of reversal, but the reversal was not strong enough, right? It fell down here to $38, came back up to 40, nearly only giving a 5 to 10% move, and then started to fall really fast. And here we are seeing an overextended area again on 42 Vision. And this is something very important that I want us to see, that the bear indicator had pulled up since way back here on the 30-minute. On the 15-minute, you can actually see how it started in the after hours. And on the 5-minute, it was way before all of this started, right? And it's tried having its moments to reverse, and it hasn't been able to. The only bull indicator here and bullish outcome from the dip and the rip with 42 Vision has been since way down here today after the bell all the way to this peak, and then we got a bear indicator since then, and this has been going downwards. If I go back to the 30-minute, you can clearly see here it has been with the bear indicator since then, and we need to watch for a possible reversal with the bull indicator. If it doesn't come up and 42 Vision continues to show this extreme weakness, that is something we need to watch very, very carefully, especially as it retests these support levels down here of $36 all the way down here at $35, and then the worst case scenario based off the history of the chart at $34.54, $34.60, right? That is super important. Now, when I go ahead and pull up the 4-hour, you could see there's a little bit of a difference here. It has been in a bearish stance since yesterday at the bell, and it's just been going downwards. So we are definitely watching this closely on the 4-hour right now with 42 Vision, and we want to see this actually pop up with those white candlesticks with red borders, because that means we might just be close to the bottom for now on this possible pullback. So this is actually looking very, very bearish right now, And a lot of people are saying it's being manipulated. A lot of people are saying that, shorts are coming onto it. And one of the biggest things that was the main takeaway from the most recent earnings that is hurting this more than anything, beyond the manipulation, the shorts, profit taking, whatever you want to call it, was the key word about its revenue in the future, right? AMC Entertainment Holdings Q3 earnings takeaways, 40 million moviegoers, revenue beat, and more, right? So when we go ahead and scroll down here, one of the most important things the CEO said, and this is what investors look at beyond just shorts or bulls or bears, this is really what investors look at. So based off these words, Adam Aron, the CEO, he is asking basically even AMC shareholders and all types of investors that are listening to this and everyone to be aware that the only way AMC can continue to grow or expand in the charts to the upside beyond just the squeeze, just natural growth, it is going to take more tickets to be sold in the future quarters than they did in the most recent quarter, and the adjusted EBITDA is still well below pre-pandemic levels. So to sell more tickets in the future quarters is like literally the most important thing, and that's how any stock grows. So that is one of the biggest challenges ahead, and that's being priced in now into the stock beyond short squeezes, beyond shorts, beyond the bulls and the bears. This is being priced in big time because that's why things are moving really, really fast. Once this bottoms out, I believe there's potential here for AMC based off the charts. But if it breaks through one of the most important support levels, which is way down here at $29 and $30, that is going to become concerning, and that's going to give leverage to the bears and the shorts. Now, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. What do you think investors are going to be doing? Do you think they're going to put more pressure on the shorts and buy more, or eventually get shaken out if this breaks through $29? That is a very important question. I want to see your guys' answers down below. But with 42 Vision, I will be watching very closely the weakness here on the 4-hour, on the 1-day, on the 30-minute, and watch that bear and bull indicator as it pops up. And right now we are in a bear transition. That bull transition was very short. It lasted from $39.54 to highs here of almost $41, $40.89. And then things started to shift. You can see it there on 42 Vision as things started to shift in the chart, and it's been pulling downwards. But really, the extreme weakness started way down here at this point of $45, and even before it at $44, $45 into the aftermarket hours. So very important stuff going on right now, because after earnings being beat, a lot of people forget that earnings, when it's beat, that's a great news, but forward guidance is even more important. And forward guidance is everything that was stated right here in just 2 sentences. Now, one of the most important things for AMC going for it is the fact that they're going to start accepting Dogecoin, Shiba Inu probably in the future. They're focusing on Bitcoin towards the end of this year, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Those are some big moves of the innovation for AMC, but those revenues haven't kicked in yet. And we need to see how does it affect AMC, because right now Bitcoin is near all-time highs. And if we really look at it here, which 42 Vision works for crypto as well, or anything you're trying to chart, it's in a bearish indicator and extreme weakness. And when we zoom out, really, yes, it's been strong for a while, since way back here at 44 and way back here at 32, but we're near all-time highs. Okay, if this starts pulling downwards when AMC starts receiving Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also Dogecoin and Bitcoin Cash, how is it going to affect their balance sheet? Okay, that is another thing to be completely aware of. I want investors to not miss out on understanding this, because if Bitcoin pulls down, how is it going to look on AMC's balance sheet? I would like your guys' answers and thoughts on that as well. Do you think it's really going to benefit AMC in the short term? And when I say short term, about 6 months to a year from now. But how do you think it's going to benefit AMC in the long term 5 to 10 years from now. That is something as an investor to be aware of. As always, guys, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.